Hi, my name's Rebecca. I'm the owner and maker at Art Soap Life, and this video is to show you how to set up a romantic bath soak for your Valentine using our Me Time kit. So the first thing before you start setting up is kind of obvious but essential. You want to have a clean tub. So I don't include any of these products in the kit, but you can use whatever you normally use to clean the tub. I also carried cleaning paste and these brushes in our shop. You just wet the brush, give it a swipe, scrub, scrub, scrub. Obviously, I have already cleaned this tub for the purposes of this video because I don't think you really want to watch me do that. So let's get to the good part. So next up, in setting the stage for your Valentine, anything you have that has flowers or house plants, even dried flowers is what I have set up today. Just something to set the mood. If you have any extra candles, I have these 2 brass candle holders here set up, but you do get 6 of these beeswax tea lights for the setup, which are made here in Winnipeg by Barletta Beeswax. You also get a beautiful cedar tea light holder made by Classic Wood, and they float. You get this oat and honey soap bar in this beautiful floral shape, and cedar soap tray. We have reusable soap saver bag by Practical Homestead. It will be filled with rose petals, dried rose petals. They are organic from BC, and they smell amazing, and we'll be using these to sprinkle in the tub. And then we also have a heart-shaped lotion bar for after their soak. And to go in the bath with the rose petals, we have the lavender lime bath salts. Okay, let's start setting up. Now the tub is full. It's time to sprinkle the rose petals. So I've started already. You got quite a full bag, so there's lots to go around. So just sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Till the bag is empty. You're going to need a lighter for your candles or matches, however you want to light them. So I'm going to light this nice little tea light first. I'm going to light my tall ones. These are also Manitoba beeswax candles. They smell so nice. So we're going to light some more candles. Then we're going to gently place it in the water. And it's going to float. So it comes with 6 tea lights, so 1 for the actual wood holder, and then 5 for the tub, which obviously they will take out of the tub before they bathe. But it sets a really nice mood when they first come in. You turn the lights off, all the candles are going. It's a nice effect. Brownie points for sure. We have all our tea lights lit. Our rose petals are sprinkled. If you have a bath caddy, like a tray that goes over the bath, you can lay out your soap and lotion bar and salts on there ready for them to use. If not, I don't have one ready to go, so I'm just going to put it on the stool. That looks nice. You can even put a little side table or something beside the bath, put their favorite book on it, or yeah, just set it up like that. Whatever you have handy will work just fine. So yeah, I'm going to put the lotion bar, and the soap, and the bath salts handy. So these are scented with essential oils of lavender and lime, and have organic flowers. They have sea salt, dead sea salt, Himalayan pink sea salt, and Epsom salts. They're a blend, and they're just fabulous. So I would say just open the jar and put it down for them, and let them decide how much they want to put in there. And that way you're not going to accidentally knock your candles when you're doing that. So all right, so we are pretty much set up. Even if you don't have the taller candles, the one little one and the tea lights in the bath are going to look amazing anyways, and smell really nice with the beeswax. I'm going to turn the light off and we get to see the full effect. And there you have it. It's pretty magical. I promise this will be a hit. This bee time, being alone, romantic setting. Make sure you have clean towels, clean robe, clean bath mat, clean tub. Any sort of reminders of kids and cleaning supplies, gone for now. Just about them. This time being alone and being surrounded by just beautiful and relaxing things. Thanks for watching.